We're back to the Burgess ramp. I'm going to try not to fish anything along here. It's been getting pretty ripped up like there. So I've been here a little bit last couple of days trying to get something and nothing. I've seen a couple of fish around the other side. I haven't even seen any in here. But no wind, the storm went through last night. I don't know if we've got another one coming or not. But yeah, whack this boat in and see what happens. I've only got 2 batteries today, so yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, the flies here are unreal. So same setup as normal, just got the Tranks 200 Smarky Archer 7 foot. Zerek walks the dog. It's so weird, eh? I don't hopefully you can still hear me by me whispering. Like maybe it's the traffic that's coming through here now. But like I used to, like when I first started coming here, the tailing fish in here was out of control. Absolutely out of control. There's me platypus. He's normally my good luck charm, so I would normally start the morning by making my way up that way, but I don't really want to be here in this area too long. There's another car here too. Yep. Righto, we're gonna have to fucking really fish this zone. Hammer along here fairly quick. These flies are out of control. Oh fuck! Oh! Oh no, I didn't. Oh! Oh, he's way over there. Oh, get out of there. Yes, come on. No! Ah! 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 Fuck's sake! Fuck! God damn it! God damn it. Oh, it did me in the fucking weed, of course. Well, I'm just going to assume they might put beeps in there, so apologies about all the beeps. Oh, man, that is disheartening, that is. He went right under a weed tower, so it was I had the weight of the whole tower, it wouldn't just cut it. Just so I know how much effort went into that fish. That is multiple sessions of being out here not even getting a hit of a big fish. On top water especially. So that's 2 lost fish in, 3 trips. So he didn't straighten me or anything. It was just because he was like obviously way over there and I'm trying to sort shit out of here. So I tried to like free spool it because I thought I might have been able to like pop it out, but I should have just left it in there and just fought him through the weed. That's just, I don't know, lack of experience, I suppose. I should have just like tried to muscle him around that tree, but I know he would have just done me. I didn't want him to snap me off. It's so hard to know what to do. I don't know. That zone that I hooked that fish, that is like the 5th fish that I've hooked out of there. Or 5th blow up I've had out of there. So when I was there yesterday, there's a tiny little path between this pool of water and that pool of water, because there's obviously a fair amount of weed in the middle. And we've watched this barra. Look, there's one up there. There's one just up there. Yeah, we watched his whole back basically swim through the channel, and then he was on that side. Then we got over there and peppered the shit out of him. And of course he was in the one spot where no one casted, like up against that bank there. And then we spooked him. We chased him around for a while with the drone. I haven't even seen anything in here. So weird. If anyone knows why they're not tailing like they were, a month ago, let me know. Like, it's painful. Like top water, I sort of feel like I know, like, not that I know what I'm doing, but at least I sort of know where to look. Where like subsurface, I got no idea. Like I suppose subsurface you could probably use in here too. I was just trying to get basin barrel like up there. I don't know what I'm doing. I know I should have, when I got around that tree, just jammed it back in and just fought him through the weed. But all in hindsight, I suppose. This would definitely have to be my favourite part about this boat. If the weed is under the water, I'm more or less going over it. I don't know if you can see how shallow it is. And I'm not kidding, it's like that the whole way. This 2 weeks ago was out of the water. Why it's back in the water now, I don't know. I would have thought that the weed would just keep going unless like the shit on the top, like that shit there, if like it dies, goes through a stage of it just like grows and then dies. This might actually be too shallow. Like if there's a bass swimming here, you'd see him. No, I'm not even gonna bother. Not even gonna bother. It's just more frustrating too, because I feel like I could have done that so much different. That's good, it means I'm learning. Well, I've learnt from it, so. Unless it's catfish. Catfish do a similar thing. They'll do it in a group and they'll be up in the weed. Yeah, I can almost guarantee it was just catfish. There's a little fella. Ah. Man, bloody rats. Oh, still good fun, but top water especially. Hey, look at it. Use the energy bar. I just don't want to lift him in and straighten more hooks. Don't shake around like an idiot, please. It's fairly pretty cool, eh? Very cool. I was going to go on sight cast in that little bay I was talking about, but I will I'll basically just route back to the boat ramp. Hopefully there's no one there. Like that other boat went past before. So if it's been a little while, if they're in there, they might have settled down. And I'm just going to pepper that whole edge. I might even go right up the end where the no boat's been this morning. Yeah, it's so hard. Like I know I need to find more spots. It's just like I don't know how many other people fish. Like no one fishes this area here. No one fishes it. It's just the fact that it gets used. It's starting to get used all the time. Like especially now. Like I was coming out here, rain, hail, or shine. You know, so and you know there was heaps of weed. Like I reckon I was probably the only one to use this ramp for that long. Because when I was out here, like the weed was that thick. There was barra in here everywhere. But now, like, look at all the, like, it just gets chopped up all the time. Oh well. Anyway, let me go back to the ramp now. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll yeah, catch you on the next one.